Alright guys, make sure to see back in another video. And I'm breaking my other car out, one of my first speed builds out, and that's my Rally XO-1. And I have not ran this car in a while. I got the VR46 Valentino Rossi 46 body, and man, with the BSR foams. And I'm just going to bring it out. Haven't ran in a while, bringing it out of retirement. Just want to see how it is on this road. And I got the Power Hobby Sky C out. Stop, read, just ran a little bit, 5 miles an hour, go back. All right, start, it's moving. All right, so I'll put that in my pocket. It is hot out here. So this is running on a ADAS system. So we're gonna see how it is. Steering trunk, yeah, that's on the way right. I got a branch that came in onto the road. Here we go. Rally. It's all over the place. Oh, wow. Interesting. Now it wants to go this way. Nice pulling. Yeah, haven't had this car in a while. So, yeah, sorry about the long video. But she looked nice though. She looked real good though. I'll send it back down. Here we go. Just keep going. Yeah, she is all over the place. Haven't had this car out in a while. Look how off, like something wrong with this. Probably shocks or something. So I'm definitely gonna have to bring this out because it's been sitting for a while. So just bringing it out. Just so I'll just see what it do. So here we go. Stop. Breathe. 102. So we get a little crazy at 102. Definitely has a lot more in there. Just hard to really get it going. So yeah, but you know, I'm just playing with it. You know, that's all. You know, and that's why I'm here. But hey guys, just a little quick run. I'm just gonna keep enjoying my car, get it set up and figure out what's going on, and we'll bring it out and we'll see what it can do. All right guys, peace.